Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to find hidden chats in Polybuzz AI. Polybuzz sometimes also hides older or inactive chat threads. Alright, they don't appear in your visible chat list anymore. And these chats aren't deleted, they're just delisted to declutter your screen. So how can you retrieve hidden chats? Go ahead and use the search trick. So on your mobile phone or the mobile app or the web app, open the Polybuzz app on your phone, then tap the chat icon, which is usually represented by a speech bubble at the bottom to go to your chat list. Then at the top of the screen, locate the search bar or a magnifying glass icon. Then enter the exact name of the character you previously chatted with. Look for search results marked with a chatted indicator or check mark. These shows you have chat history with them. Then tap on the character to open the conversation. Once open, the chat should reappear in your main chat list, effectively unhiding it. That's pretty much how it works. Okay, so have your chats disappeared from your Polybuzz? That's just how it works. So just go to your chat tab and tap the search bar at the top. Tap in the exact name of the character you used to chat with. In search results, look for that familiar chatted badge or check mark. Tap their profile to open the conversation. This automatically brings the chat back into your main list. It's that simple, no special folder, no data loss. Just search and resume. So to avoid, heads up, to avoid losing access in the future, make sure to follow your favorite characters, which makes them easier to find later. And it works both on mobile and web. So there's no separate hidden or archive folder. Polybuzz relies on manual retrieval via search. So if a chat does not appear after searching, it may have been fully deleted or the character set to private by its creator. So staying active in a conversation or following the bot helps ensure it remains feasible. Go over this tutorial from top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, it'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.